Do you want to get paid $150 for giving feedback? I'm going to show you how to get paid $150 for giving feedback on a website. You don't need any skills or experience to give feedback, so it's a great opportunity for everyone to make some extra cash. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Do you have a knack for giving feedback? You might be able to get paid $150 just to give some feedback. With Checkealos.com, you can turn your feedback skills into a passive income. Checkealos is a testing platform that will pay you for giving feedback on websites and apps. Joining this site is a good idea if you want to earn extra money. Checkealos' primary income source is testing projects. You'll be alerted by email when the site matches you with testing tasks, or you may check the member dashboard. Car, banking, insurance, virtual reality, and e-commerce websites and applications are commonly tested in these projects. Log into the member dashboard, pick the project, and click Accept to complete desktop tests. When ready, press Start Recording. To take the test, you don't need to install any software. However, you will need a microphone to test the site. To be heard, the test should be taken in a quiet environment. From project acceptance to completion, you have 4 hours. If you don't finish it before then, it'll be removed from your list of projects. For mobile tests, use the Checkealos app, which is only available for Android devices. iOS users will get extra instructions for mobile usability tests. Checkealos also has a referral program. You invite others to join by providing your invite link. Your referral will join up after clicking the link. To get a referral incentive, your referral must finish a project. They'll pay you afterward. The amount you can earn from Checkealos will mostly depend on how often you manage to complete a project. Earn €8 or $10 approximate for each feedback session, which lasts 30 minutes, and between €30 and €150 for live conversations or advanced tests. Checkealos pay through PayPal. The best part is that you don't need to reach a threshold to withdraw your earnings. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.